Meaning of disrespectful.
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 Disrespectful. Disrespectful means showing a lack of honor or regard towards someone or something, often in a rude or offensive manner. It is a behavior that violates social norms and can lead to strained relationships, conflicts, and negative consequences. Disrespectful actions can range from disregarding someone's opinions or feelings to using hurtful language or gestures. When someone is disrespectful, it can cause the person they target to feel hurt, angry, or diminished in their worth and dignity. In short, disrespect is a harmful way of treating others that can damage relationships and undermine mutual respect.